Good morning, my dear respected students, and thanks for coming. And I'm just begin with the last session of chapter number 1, because earlier we have 2 classes, I think so, and we have discussed a lot of things. Now I'm just going to discuss a few points which is left behind, and we are just going to complete that particular portion. Okay, my dear respected students, you all are requested to kindly open a page number 15, 15, that is 15. It's my humble request. 15, page number 15. And on page number 15, my dear respected students, option will be there, which is to be called as a auto sum. Auto sum. Auto sum means, kindly concentrate. I'm just going to display the same on a slide as well. What it makes sense, my dear respected students, it makes sense that auto means automatic and sum means we are supposed to perform the additions. But with that, we are also going to perform other auto sum functions. Kindly concentrate here on the screen, please. It's my humble request. Here it is. It says that it is available on Home tab and Editing group. These options are available on Home tab and Editing group. Kindly concentrate. These are the options, my dear respected students, which is supposed to be displayed on the screen. जो आपकी screen पे आपको नजर आ रही है मेरे बच्चों, ये वाली options available हैं. In which we are talking about a sum, average, count numbers, max, minimum, and many more functions. अभी तक यहाँ तक जितने मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई हो, वो कृपया करके चैट बॉक्स में yes टाइप करने की कृपालता कीजिए. Very good. Kindly type yes in a chat box. Those who have understand. ओके ओके, अरे वाह, ये पूरी पावर के साथ आते हैं भाई, ये लोग पूरी पावर के साथ. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, थैंक यू. अच्छा, आप लोगों को याद है कि कवलजीत सर इज ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट अ प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू बिगिन, माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स, इन स्पाइट ऑफ डिस्कसिंग थिंग्स theoretically or with the help of theory, I'm just going to do some practicals here. Kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. And this similar kind of practical is being given on your book, that is on page number, I think so, 16, page number 16. You all are requested to kindly concentrate on this, that how we are supposed to perform these activities. My dear respected student, what is mentioned here on the screen where my pointer is, kindly type in a chat box what is mentioned here. It begins from T, I think so. It begins from T, I think so. मेरे पास अभी आया यसी नहीं, हाँ अब आ गया. अब मेरे पास आया टोटल. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. ओके, kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. What we are going to do here, for performing a total or for finding a total, what we are going to do, we are supposed to select these 3 cells, that is B2, C2 and D2. And here it is on Home tab, my dear respected students. I'm just going to click on a Home tab. Then there is a group which is to be named as Editing. And we are supposed to click here on Auto Sum directly, or there is an arrow here. I'm just going to click on an option that is a Sum. What happened here? Kindly concentrate, my dear respected students. When we are supposed to click here and see this thing in a formula bar, it says the name of the function is sum. Range begins from a B2 colon D2. It means B2, C2 and D2 is being combined here in this particular formula. And if you want to find the sum of all these values, we are supposed to drag, and that particular feature is to be called as a, जब हम drag करते हैं इस feature को क्या बोलते हैं? A से start होता है, A से. Very good. What we call that particular feature? जल्दी से chat box में. I'm still waiting. Very good very good very good. अरे वाह. सबसे पहले आया हेजल का autofill. Auto sum नहीं मेरा बेटा. When we do the calculation or addition, that is to be called as the auto sum. But when we are talking about that how we are going to drag and perform the calculation, then it is to be called as a autofill. Thank you very much. Thank you Shaurya, Chitgunpreet. अरे वाह, देखिए हुए भी अरसा हो गया अब तो. Very good. कोई बात नहीं, no problem. Okay. Now, my dear respected students, what we are going to do here, we are supposed to find the average here. And now what we are going to do, again Home tab, again editing group, and there is a auto sum, but this time, my dear respected student, we are talking about the average. And remember one thing, when you manually, जब आप वैसे type करेंगे, we are not supposed to type the name of the function is avg. avg short form में नहीं लिखना, we can write it as an average. We are supposed to click here. What happened now, there is a problem. What happened here, a2 is not required in that particular. So what we are going to do, in spite of writing a, we are supposed to mention b2. मैंने यहाँ से mention कर दिया, और ये देख लीजिए, ये highlighted जो cell हैं ये आपको नजर आ रहे हैं. And next what will happen, b2, c2 and d2. Here it is, e2 is also there. So what we are going to do, in spite of E2, we are supposed to mention it as a D2, and then what happened, we are supposed to hit the enter key which is there in a formula bar. जैसे ही मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक किया तो आप देखिए यहाँ पे 201 का या फिर इन वैल्यूज का एवरेज फाइंड हो गया, that is to be called as a 67. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई? And we are going to apply a autofill here, and what we are going to do here, my dear respected students, all the average is going to be appeared on the screen. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको समझ आया वो यस, जिनको समझ नहीं आया वो नो, जिनको रिपीट करना है वो रिपीट, जो मर्जी, जो आपका मन हो, जो आपको अप्रोप्रिएट लगे, यू आर सपोज टू टाइप दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग इन अ चैट बॉक्स. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू. ओके, now can anyone tell me that I want to find a maximum number from these 5 different cells? What we are going to do for the same? अब मैंने आपको एक क्लू दे दिया हुआ है. अब मुझे जल्दी से चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करिए, सबसे पहले किस टैब पे क्लिक करना है मुझे. पास मदान जी, आई एम रिपीटिंग, काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. किस टैब पे मुझे क्लिक करना है? एच से स्टार्ट होता है वो टैब का नाम. वेरी गुड, जल्दी से. अरे वाह वाह, सविन्या नंबर 1 आ गया. सविन्या, सिमरन. अच्छा, उसके बाद सविन्या, काइंडली मेंशन द नेम ऑफ, नॉट सविन्या, काइंडली मेंशन द नेम ऑफ द ग्रुप. ग्रुप का नाम बताइए, ई से स्टार्ट होता है मेरे ख्याल से. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, एडिटिंग ग्रुप. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू. एंड नेम ऑफ द फंक्शन, जैसे मैंने टोटल के लिए सम लिया, एवरेज के लिए एवरेज लिया, अब मैं मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए क्या दूंगा? अगर आपने कंसंट्रेट किया हो वहां पे ध्यान से, व्हाट विल बी द नेम ऑफ द फंक्शन, whether it is max or a maximum? Max. Very good, very good, great. Now kindly concentrate. What we are going to do here, we are supposed to click on that particular cell, click on auto sum, and then click on a max value. Now here it is, it says B2 till B6. B7 is not required. We are supposed to mention it as a B6. Click on a enter symbol. And similarly, what we are going to do here, again for finding a minimum, what we are going to click on the minimum. And what we are going to do, my dear respected students, if you want to use the pointing option, click here. Okay, then you are supposed to insert a colon symbol. After that, what we are going to do here, click on a 67. It means B colon B2 colon B6. It says B2, B3, B4, B5 and B6. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई. And we are going to hit the enter key. Now, just tell me, if I want to calculate or found the number of students which is representing here. Manually, I am just going to calculate it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But no, I just need a function to do the same. Can you please mention the name of the function in a chat box? If you are very much attentive. अगर आप बहुत attentive हैं तो आप मुझे function का नाम बताएंगे. Very good, very good, very good. Kindly mention the name of the function, my dear respected student. अरे वाह, मालविका जी, मालविका, thank you. God bless you, मेरा बेटा. What I am going to do here, I am just going to click here and it says count numbers. What we are going to do here, we are supposed to click here count numbers. Again, click on that particular cell, first cell, then there is a column, delete the B2 again and click on the 67 and hit the enter key. It says that how many values will be there? There will be a 5 values. And for calculation and performing quick calculation, what we are going to do, we are supposed to find the information here with the help of an option which is to be called as the autofill, and automatically the entire worksheet sheet is being filled with the total, average, maximum, minimum and number of students. मेरे बच्चों को अगर जिन बच्चों को, मेरे प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स को यहाँ तक मेरी बात समझ आ गई है, वो कृपया करके यस टाइप कर दीजिए, नो टाइप कर दीजिए, रिपीट टाइप कर दीजिए, जो आपका मन करे वो आप टाइप करें। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे। अकाल सिमर जी, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू, बहुत अच्छे। चितगुन जी, परिणिका जी, अरे वाह 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 वाह, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच। नाउ वी आर जस्ट बिगिन विद द next kind of information. Before that, we are supposed to begin with the PowerPoint presentation. Here it is, second thing, my dear respected student, formula tab. It says that formula tab, these similar kind of functions are available. Formula tab, function library group. These are the information. Kindly concentrate on a practical portion here. First of all, we are supposed to find, my dear respected students, formula option, and here it is the group which is to be called as a function library. All such information that is auto sum is also being displayed here on the screen. It means now we having two different options. We can do the same thing with the help of home tab, and the similar kind of thing can be done with the help of a formula tab. मेरे बच्चों को यहाँ तक जिनको मेरी बात समझ आ गई है, वो कृपया करके yes टाइप कर दीजिए। Very good. I'm waiting for your responses. Great, 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 great. Very good. ये फिर अरे वाह, yes done, yes done, yes sir, very good, very good, very good. ये किसने टेस्ट लिख दिया? कौन था ये? अरमान जी, TES, कोई बात नहीं अरमान जी, नो प्रॉब्लम। मैं आपकी भावनाओं से बिल्कुल जानकार हूँ, आपकी भावनाओं का। थैंक यू वेरी मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू। Next, my dear respected student, kindly concentrate on a PowerPoint presentation. It says that is a quick analysis tool. Quick analysis tool. Kindly concentrate. What is the meaning of quick analysis tool, my dear respected student, which is being displayed as a part of top tip on page number 18. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, सबसे पहले you all are requested to kindly mention the shortcut key Control plus Q. Q for Queen. Control plus Q for that. This is to be considered as a shortcut for quick analysis. Now, what you make sense from a quick analysis? It says quick analysis tools also let you perform various auto sum operations quickly. Sir, how we are going to perform this? Kindly see the example here on the screen itself. And here it is within a box. It says that yes, I am a quick analysis tool. Sir, theory is clear, but can you please do the same with the help of a practical demonstration if possible? Yes, why not, my dear respected students? These are the values here which is being mentioned. Now what we are going to do? Kindly concentrate. First thing, I'm just going to select all the values. As and when I'm going to select, on that particular right hand side, bottom right side, it says the definition as well as the shortcut. It says quick analysis, the shortcut is Control plus Q, and then there is a description of the tool. When I'm just going to click on that particular tool, it says different thing: formatting, charts, total, tables, spark lines. But what I'm going to do, because I'm taking a demonstration for total, I'm just going to click here on a total as well. Click on the sum. It says the sum will be 239. Again, I'm just going to click here. Then again total. If you find the average, you can click here. It says 59.75. Again, if you want to find that count here, again click here. It says the values will be 4. If you want to find some other information that you can done with the help of these information, that is sum, average, count, percentage, running, I'm just going to click here and the percentage for the same will be displayed on the screen. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, जिन लोगों को कंवलजीत सर की बात यहां तक समझ आ गई हो, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू काइंडली टाइप यस इन अ चैट बॉक्स. यस सर, आई अंडरस्टैंड. यस सर, कंप्लीटली. चरणप्रीत कौर, अरे वाह, ये कंप्लीटली लिखने का मतलब ये है कि आप प्रैक्टिकली भी ट्राई करेंगे. इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. Very good, Jasmilan. Okay, my question here is, I just want to check whether you are listening my words or not. My question here is, In spite of typing, yes, sir, I understand. Kindly concentrate the question I am talking about. Kindly type the shortcut key for quick analysis in a chat box. Very good. My dear respected students, kindly type a shortcut. Arey वाह, Harshveer Singh Saggu. इस बार पहले very good, very good, very good, very good. अकाल बहुत एक्टिव हो गया. अकाल, thank you यार. ये तो कोरोना का बहुत अच्छा इम्पैक्ट है आप पे कि यू आर नाउ वेरी सिंसियर एंड वेरी अटेंटिव स्टूडेंट. थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू. Very good. Now I'm just begin with the next content, my dear respected student. It says next content. It says function library. Kindly concentrate on page number 1990. 1990. Okay. It says that what do you understand by a function library? Functions in Excel are predefined. Pre का मतलब पहले से, defined का मतलब जो बताए गए हैं, पहले से बताए गए हैं. किसके अंदर? Excel के अंदर. Formulas that perform specific calculations, जो specific calculations कर सकते हैं, किसी एक प्रकार की calculations कर सकते हैं. Those are stored in the part of a function library. Sir, how we are going to open the function library? Previously I have mentioned the same thing, but now only that is a formula tab and function library. Kindly concentrate on a practical demonstration. My dear respected student, as I am going to open here home section, and now what we are going to do here, we are supposed to click on a formula tab. And here it is a function library which says that I having all such kind of functions which you required, whether it is AutoSum, recently, financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup, math and trigonometry, more, and many more functions which is required in your practical demonstration. So kindly concentrate, my dear respected students, on page number 20. And here it is, the function we are talking about. First of all, I just want to display the same thing on with the help of a PPT, PowerPoint presentation. It says that GCD, मेरे पास एक हमारे प्रिय अध्यापक भी बैठे हैं गणित के. GCD says greatest common divisor, or we can also similarly we can synonym. Synonym means a word which is of similar kind, which says that this is also to be pronounced or called as a highest common factor. तो मुझे ये दिशा निर्देश मिल गया कि जो आपने बोला है वो सही है. चलिए जी, अब ये देखते हैं that how we are going to find very easily, क्योंकि मैथ्स वालों ने तो हमें बताया है, पर हम लोग यहाँ से एक बार चेक कर लें कि that how we are going to do that thing. Okay, my dear respected students, first of all, what we are going to do, click on a formulas. Very good. And here it is in a function library, one option will be there that is to be called as a math and trig. Trig means trigonometry. I'm just going to click here, and it's my humble request that you are supposed to find these formulas alphabetic order A, B, C, D in such a way. So we are looking forward for a G here. We are looking forward for a G, and my dear respected student, it says in description also, नीचे देख लीजिए जब pointer है मेरा, GCD return the greatest common divisor. I'm just going to click here. What we are going to do before that, I'm just going to click here on the cell where we require the same, then math and trig, then there is an option which is to be called as a GCD. Click this arrow, click on this particular arrow, select the first cell, the address is being mentioned here. Again, click on this arrow, second arrow, select the second cell, that is A2. Again, this is. Again, we are supposed to click on a third cell, that is the A3. Again, what we are going to do, we are supposed to mention it as, यहाँ पे भी देख लीजिए, it says return the greatest common divisor is equal to 1. Formula result is equal to 1, and the similar one is being represented in a cell when we are supposed to click on the OK. अब मेरे बच्चों को मैंने एक बता दिया automatic way. Now what we are going to do, in spite of clicking on different options, we are supposed to insert a equal to sign. You all know that for creating a formula, we are supposed to insert a equal to sign. And now what we are going to type, we are supposed to type GCD directly in spite of clicking anywhere else. And now with the help of a pointing, we are going to click here. Then because we are not mentioning a range, comma, and then there is selected this one, that is a B2. Close this and hit the enter key. Again the GCD is going to be appeared on the screen. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात समझ आई हो वो कृपया करके एक बार यस कर दीजिएगा जरा. यस यस यस, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. मैं वेट कर, अरे वाह ये कॉपी पेस्ट किया है चरण ने. कंप्यूटर के स्टूडेंट है भाई, कॉपी पेस्ट तो आता ही है सब लोगों को. अरे वाह, या प्रत्युष कुमार, प्रत्युष कुमार जी या मत करिए, यस करिए, या फिर यस सर कर दीजिए, या फिर नो कर दीजिए, या फिर रिपीट कर दीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू. अच्छा अब मैं ना इसी सेम पेज पे देखना, काइंडली कंसंट्रेट ऑन योर बुक्स, दैट इज पेज नंबर 20 itself. Can you please type in a chat box that I want to perform find a LCM. I want to find a LCM of two different numbers. First, the address of first cell is A1 and second cell of address of second cell is A2. मुझे आप चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करके दिखाइए. अगर मुझे GCD लिखना था तो मैंने वहां GCD लिख दिया था. Now if I want to find a LCM, in spite of clicking on different options, I want to find the LCM of two different cells. Address of cell is A1 and A2. जल्दी से, I am waiting. गलत है सविन्य, गलत 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 गलत. Why so? You have not inserted is equal to sign here. Otherwise it's okay, but I am considering it as wrong because you have not inserted a is equal to symbol here. Very good. फटाफट 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 जल्दी से. आज अच्छा क्या बात है, सहजप्रीत कौर बिल्कुल ठीक है बेटा. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. मेरे पास सहज आ गया, सविन्या आ गया, नंदिनी आ गया, एनी मेनी मोर, मालविका जी भी आ गए, और भी वेरी गुड. चलिए मैं एक बार HCF, अरे ठीक है जी. अब मैंने क्या लिखा, here it is. What we are going to do, click on this option, LCM here. I just want to find the LCM here. Again there is a formula, it's my responsibility to mention these points, math and trig. And now we are just looking forward for a L, that is a LCM. Return the least common multiple. I'm just going to click here. Similar way, click on this. Second way, click on this. My dear respected students, again that is the third one. Click on this and it says here it is, the LCM is 12060. This is to be considered as a LCM. Similar way is equal to LCM, mentioning the address of first cell, comma, mentioning the address of second cell, and hit the enter key. The LCM is supposed to be displayed on the screen. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात यहाँ तक समझ आ गई हो वो कृपया करके मुझे yes और no में आंसर दे दीजिए. अरे वाह, ये संत भी हैं. संत जी प्रणाम है आपको हमारा. अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह, तेजी के साथ. यस सर सॉल्व. अच्छा ये चरणप्रीत मुझे लग रहा है सिस्टम पे बैठ के साथ कर रही है. अरे वाह, थैंक यू चरण, गॉड ब्लेस यू, थैंक यू वेरी मच मेरा बेटा. Last topic of this chapter on page number 21. My dear respected students, kindly concentrate on PowerPoint presentation and then we are supposed to discuss some other examples. अच्छा ये LCM दिखाने से पहले को जी सर ने डिस्कस कर दिया, चलो ठीक है. Creating a formula using insert function. Insert function button is available on formula bar. It's my humble request, kindly concentrate. It says these are the example, these are the options which is there on a formula bar, and this fx which representing a formula bar, this symbol is to be called as an insert function. मेरे बेटा kindly concentrate. I am just moving towards a practical demonstration part. Very good. Insert function, I am supposed to click here. Kindly concentrate. This is the fx. And when I just move the pointer here on fx, it says insert function. नीचे देख लीजिएगा, arrow के नीचे there is a description and it says that I am an insert function. Okay, it's clear, sir. Sir, it's clear that this is to be called as the insert function. Now, my dear respected students, first of all, I am just going to click on that particular where I want to perform the formula. And then we are supposed to click on this fx. This is the shortcut method to perform any kind of formulas. What we are going to do, we are going to scroll that particular for finding a different type of formula. For example, if we talk same example of GCD, we are supposed to click here, click on the OK. Again, it says select this, click on this. Okay, no problem. A1. Now again, this is the second one. and this is we are supposed to click here, and third one, and click here, and okay. So I think so this is the shortcut method to do that particular thing. For example, again we are just going to click on a fx, and if we are just going to found some another formula here, here it is a sum. I'm just going to click on a sum here in spite of doing GCD again. It says that what we are going to do, we are going to click on B1. Okay, great. After that, again, we are going to click on a B2, and sum is going to be displayed here on in a box also. And now we are going to click on a okay. So this is to be considered as the easiest way to perform any kind of calculation. जितने मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात कवल जी सर की बात समझ आ गई, वो कृपया करके yes, no, repeat जो लिखना चाहें आप लिख सकते हैं. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, sir, cleared. Yes, done. Yes, 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 yes. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Mera beta, this video is also available on your official school YouTube channel. If while performing the practicals, if you face any kind of trouble, you are supposed to open simultaneously and do the practicals, which I think so, which is very much helpful to you and making your concept more clear. And this eliminates one more thing, that is a cramming, because when the concept is practically you have done that thing, there is no need to cram. You can write each and everything in your own wording. Very good. Now now it's time for testing. Sir, which kind of testing you are looking forward? My dear students, kindly open page number 22, and here it is a exercise is there, which is also to be displayed on the screen, but I am looking forward for your answers in a chat box. Question number 1 says, kindly concentrate. Question number 1 says dash is a method of adding a cell reference to a formula by clicking the cell. अरे वाह, सहजप्रीत सहजप्रीत ने आंसर कर दिया, और सबके लिए आंसर स्क्रीन पे आएगा, देखते जाइएगा. The answer of first question is to be called as a pointing. मेरा बेटा बहुत जल्दी आंसर नहीं देने, और जब तक कंवलजीत सर सेकंड क्वेश्चन नहीं बोलते, in that case you are supposed to wait and concentrate, and then only you are give the answer. Second says $A3 is an example of a dash referencing. relative भी होता है मेरे ख्याल से, एब्सोल्यूट भी होता है, और मिक्स्ड भी होता है. अब आप देखिए कौन सी किसकी बात कर रहे हैं आप. अरे वाह बच्चे, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. स्टूडेंट्स आर मेंशनिंग दैट इज अ मिक्स्ड. अरे वाह, ग्रेट. स्क्रीन पे भी नजर आता जा रहा है, बुक्स पे लिखते भी जाइएगा. इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट. नेक्स्ट माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स, इट सेज, अरे पहले ही आ गया यार, पहले क्लिक हो गया मुझसे वहां पे. द डैश कैरेक्टर इज यूज्ड फॉर कंकैटिनेशन ऑफ अ स्ट्रिंग, that is the ampersand. Concatenation means we are supposed to combine two different strings together. जब हम किसी दो स्ट्रिंग्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं, जोड़ते हैं. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इट सेज द सिंबल फॉर द एक्सपोनेंट ऑपरेटर इज डैश. वेरी गुड. अरे वाह ये तुषार थोड़ा सा लेट आ रहा है, कोई बात नहीं तुषार, थैंक यू. अरे वाह, अरे वाह. अब ये देखिएगा आ गया. नेक्स्ट ई पार्ट आ गया. The auto sum button is present in the dash group on the home tab. The auto sum button is present in the dash group. अरे वाह जतन, थैंक यू यार, बहुत अटेंटिव हो आप लोग, तो बिल्कुल अच्छे से लिख रहे हो. वेरी गुड. एडिटिंग. सिमरन ने सेम लिख दिया. सिमरन ये सेम किसका यार, समझ नहीं आया था. चलिए कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम. अकाल सिमर जी थैंक यू. हेजल जी, हेजल सग्गू साहब थैंक यू. एडिटिंग, गॉड ब्लेस यू. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Next blank says a dash is a mathematical function that contains cell address and a mathematical operator. Very good. A dash is a mathematical function. अरे वाह मैंने अभी देखा ही नहीं ऊपर, तो वहां पे आंसर आने शुरू भी हो गए. तुषार एवरेज नहीं है मेरा पुत्र, एवरेज नहीं है मेरा बेटा. This is to be called as a formula. I think so. This is to be considered as a formula. This is to be considered as a formula. Kindly concentrate. Very good. Okay, can just allow me to move towards the next slide. Okay, it says, kindly concentrate मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. The dash function find the average of a set of values in a column or row. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, मेरे बोलने से पहले ही भाई वहां आंसर आ जाता है, क्या करें इसका। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज, अच्छा अब अगले वाले का आंसर मत दीजिएगा, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, वेट वेट फॉर अ व्हाइल। The addition and subtraction arithmetical operators have the dash order of evaluation. जो प्लस और माइनस है, अरे वाह सेम सेम। अच्छा एक और चीज बताइएगा, when we having a same hierarchy or a priority of operators, then if we have both the operators, then in which direction we are supposed to sort it out, left to right or right to left? अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, हर्षवीर संघू जी, लेफ्ट टू राइट, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट। Now next, my dear respected students, kindly concentrate, it's my humble request, kindly concentrate. It says filling the blanks, oh, sorry, true and false, T for true and F for false, and you can also make them correct if you want. So what it makes sense, if you have typed the formula in a cell, you see the formula in the formula bar when the cell is selected. Yes or no? मतलब T और F में करना है। अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, टी कर दिया भाई सब लोगों ने, वेरी गुड। वो देखिए सामने टी भी आ गया वहां पे। नेक्स्ट इट सेज द check button in the formula bar works as the enter key। ये देख लीजिए एक बार, ये टिक का सिंबल जो है वो अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, फिर टी आ गया, फिर टी आ गया। अब कहाँ पे फॉल्स आता है ये देखने वाली बात है। अब नेक्स्ट देखिएगा प्लीज, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट। द एरर these hash symbols appears if the formula contains an invalid operation। कहता है ये एरर जो है अपीयर्स होता है जब फॉर्मूला जो है इनवैलिड ऑपरेशन कर रहा है, फॉल्स। अच्छा मुझे बताना ये कब आता है, फिर टाइप करिएगा, when such kind of error is going to be appeared। very good, very good, false ठीक है, false ठीक है। when cell is small, when cell is not wide enough, very good, very good, very good, very good, great। Next, my dear respected students, all cells in row 2 through 5 are referred as 2:5। True or false? अब याद कर लीजिएगा, when we talk about a vertical section, it says a column, and when we talk about a horizontal section, it is to be considered as a, ये F लिखा है किसी ने? नहीं यार, नहीं यार, नहीं 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 नहीं, F नहीं आएगा मेरा बेटा, यहाँ पे true आएगा, true। देखिए ना एक बार चेक करिए ना, रोज की बात हो रही है, ये देखिए ना यहाँ पे, ये देखिए ये रोज तो ही है। अगर मैं यहाँ पे आके लिख देता हूँ 2:5 और एंटर हिट कर देता हूँ, तो ये देखिए सेलेक्ट कर तो रहा है मेरा बच्चा। काइंडली कंसंट्रेट, ओके, ध्यान से देखिए इस चीज को। नेक्स्ट इज वेरी गुड, इट्स ट्रू, फंक्शंस आर प्री डिफाइंड फॉर्मूलाज इन एक्सेल। मतलब फंक्शंस जो हैं वो प्री मतलब पहले डिफाइंड, पहले से ही बता दिए गए हैं, किसमें, एक्सेल में। ट्रू या फॉल्स? वेरी गुड, बी क्विक, very good, I received answer in the form of true itself। Next, my dear respected students, it says in the order of evaluation, the multiplication operator, that is the asterisk symbol, has priority over the exponent operator। क्या ऑर्डर ऑफ इवेल्युएशन में मल्टीप्लिकेशन की हायर प्रायोरिटी है इन कंपैरिजन टू एक्सपोनेंट? मेरे बच्चों ने मुझे बिल्कुल परफेक्ट आंसर दिया है, दैट इज अ फॉल्स वन। यस, दिस इज टू बी कंसीडर एज अ फॉल्स। नेक्स्ट, अच्छा ये दिशा ने पता नहीं क्या बना दिया बॉक्स, कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम, वेरी गुड, ओके। बाय डिफॉल्ट, नेक्स्ट जी पार्ट सेज बाय डिफॉल्ट Excel creates an absolute cell reference in a formula। By default, जो आपके पास Excel है वो absolute cell reference देता है या कोई और देता है? False। अच्छा, अब अगर सहजप्रीत false है इसका आंसर, तो मुझे ये बता दीजिए absolute की जगह क्या आना चाहिए? Kindly tell। Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. The answer is false, and in spite of writing it as a absolute, we are supposed to mention it as a relative। Very good, thank you Jasmilan, Nandini, and all those participated। Next, my dear respected students, the last true and false, the max function is used to find the largest value in a set of values। True or false? ट्रू और फॉल्स? मैक्स, मेरे पास आंसर आ गए, वेरी गुड, ट्रू। It says yes, this is to be considered as a true. मेरे बच्चों को स्क्रीन पे सब कुछ easily visible हो रहा है, I think so. Now I just want to move towards the next portion here. Kindly concentrate, my dear respected student. Choose the correct option. Here it is. It says, my dear respected student, when you type a formula, you always start by typing the dash sign. अरे वाह, जतिन, सिमरन, अकाल, नंदिनी, जसमिलन, सविन्या, very good, very good, very good. This is to be considered as equal to. Manna, thank you. Equal to sign. Very good, very good, very good. Thank you very much. Next it says, my dear respected students, what will be the output if you type is equal to 5 plus 4 exponent 2 in a cell. मेरे बच्चों ध्यान से, it's my humble request that you all are requested to kindly concentrate this thing. Kindly concentrate. How we are going to sort it out? मेरे को बच्चे आंसर रिटर्न कर रहे हैं 21. How it is being sorted out? First, the priority of exponent is higher as comparison to plus. So 4 exponent 2 matlab 4 raised to power 2. 4 multiply 4 is equal to be considered as a 16, and then we are supposed to add the 16 with 5, then it is to be considered as a 21. And thank you, my dear respected students, that the perfect answer for this is 21. C part says, which symbol is used for absolute referencing? Which symbol is used for absolute referencing? Arey wow, dollar. Very good, very good. Harshbir, Malvika, Simran, Jasmilan. Arey wow. Very good. Thank you very much. Yes, this is a dollar. This is a dollar symbol. B part says, my dear respected students, which function is used to add the values of several cells? Very good. Return, return, return. Very good. This is a sum. Sum. But average nahi. No, there is no need to write the average.